Good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. This Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:07 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Eating your greens can change the effect of your genes on heart disease. Science Daily, October 12, 2011. A long-held mantra suggests that you can't change your family, the genes they pass on, or the effect of these genes. Now, an international team of scientists led by researchers at McMaster and McGill universities is attacking that belief. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. This Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:08 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. The researchers discovered the gene that is the strongest marker for heart disease can actually be modified by generous amounts of fruit and raw vegetables. The results of their study are published in the current issue of the Journal of PLOS Medicine. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. This Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:09 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Astrophysicists find evidence of black holes' destruction of stars. Science Daily, October 12, 2011. Astrophysicists have found evidence of black holes destroying stars, a long-sought phenomenon that provides a new window into general relativity. The research reported in the latest issue of the Astrophysical Journal also opens up a method to search for the possible existence of large population of presently undetectable intermediate mass black holes, which are hypothesized to be precursors to the supermassive black holes at the centers of most large galaxies. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. It's Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:11 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Researchers reconstruct genome of the Black Death, bacteria found to be ancestor of all modern plaques. Science Daily, October 12, 2011. An international team of researchers at McMaster University in Germany has sequenced the entire genome of the Black Death, one of the most devastating epidemics in human history. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. This Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:11 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. This marks the first time scientists have been able to draft a reconstructed genome of any ancient pathogen, which will allow researchers to track changes in the pathogen's evolution and virulence over time. This work, currently published online in the Journal of Nature, could lead to a better understanding of modern infectious disease. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. This Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:13 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Possible trigger for volcanic super eruptions discovered. Science Daily, October 12, 2011. The super eruption of the major volcanic system occurs about every 100,000 years and is considered one of the most catastrophic natural events on Earth. Yet scientists have long been unsure about what triggers these violent explosions. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. This Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:14 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. However, a new model presented this week by researchers at Oregon State University points to a combination of temperature influence and the geometrical configuration of the magma chamber as a potential cause for these super eruptions. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. This Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Dark matter of the genome revealed through analysis of 29 mammals. Science Daily, October 12, 2011. An international team of researchers has discovered the vast majority of the so-called dark matter in the human genome by means of sweeping comparison of 29 mammalian genomes. The team, led by scientists from the Broad Institute, has pinpointed the parts of the human genome that control when and where genes are turned on. This map is a critical step in interpreting the thousands of genetic changes that have been linked to human disease. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. This Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:16 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. How life might have survived Snowball Earth. Science Daily, October 10, 2011. Global glaciation likely put a chill on life on Earth hundreds of millions of years ago, but new research indicates that simple life in the form of photosynthetic algae could have survived in a narrow body of water with characteristics similar to today's Red Sea. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. This Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:17 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Under those frigid conditions, there are not a lot of places where you would expect liquid water and light to occur in the same area, and you need both of those things for photosynthetic algae to survive. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. This Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:18 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Wet and mild, researchers take the temperature of Mars past. Science Daily, October 12, 2011. Researchers at the California Institute of Technology, Caltech, have directly determined the surface temperature of early Mars for the first time, providing evidence that's consistent with the warmer and wetter Martian past. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD PhD. This Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:20 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. By analyzing carbonate minerals in a 4 billion-year-old meteorite that originated near the surface of Mars, the scientists determined that the minerals formed at about 18 degrees Celsius, 64 degrees Fahrenheit, The thing that's really cool is that 18 degrees is not particularly cold nor particularly hot. And good morning, this is Dr. Will, CBMD, PhD. It's Thursday, October 13, 2011, 8:22 a.m. Eastern Time. Quick note. Science Daily, October 12, 2011. Researchers from the Cornell University, NY, have demonstrated for the first time that it is possible to cloak a singular event in time, creating what has been described as a history editor. In a feat of Einstein-inspired physics, his colleagues sent a beam of light traveling down an optical fiber and through a pair of so-called time lenses. Between these two lenses, the researchers were able to briefly create a small bubble or gap in the flow of light. During that fleetingly brief moment, lasting only the tiniest fraction of a second, the gap functioned like a temporal hole, concealing the fact that a brief burst of light ever occurred. And